All right, let's talk about energy and bonding. Well, there's chemical energy that's stored in chemical bonds. Like this is literally why digestion is a thing that we get energy from it. So inside chemicals, there are bonds, and those bonds store some energy. How are bonds broken? Well, I've got to put some energy in to break the bond. So think about it. If I have this pen right here right now, it's just not going to spontaneously break on its own. But if I put some energy in, I can break it. So here I have a pencil here. It's not going to spontaneously break, but if I put some energy in, I could break the bond. So when bonds are broken, energy is absorbed. So that means it's endothermic. So you can see right here, here is a bond. These are connected. If the bond is broken, energy is absorbed, endothermic. How are bonds formed? Well, this is going to be the opposite. It's going to release some energy. It's going to be more stable. So when bonds are formed, energy is released, exothermic. So you can see right here, these two are not connected, not bonded. In the process of bonding, energy is going to be released, exothermic. So remember, there's always conservation of energy. So that's just something to think about. So as we have two hydrogens bonding to form a hydrogen molecule, the amount of energy stayed the same, but energy is still being released. It's being released as heat and light. So as a system, the amount of energy is the same. But we always say that when bonds are formed, energy is released. When bonds are broken, energy is absorbed. And that's energy and bonding. I hope you learned something new today.